Hello everyone, my name is Boo Gaming and welcome to Exploding Kittens. Now, this game is originated from a card game, but there is a VR version for this. The goal of the game is to not explode. You get all these nice tools over here, like a shuffle to shuffle all of the things that fuse to not explode. See a feature to see the first 3 cards. A favor to have someone give you a card of their choice. An attack to make someone do 2 turns. Nope to nope anything. A skip to skip your turn, and maybe more. Actually there is more. There's also cats. If you have like 2 of the same cat, you steal a random card from them. So let's get into it. There's also a bunch of other game modes. I'm probably not gonna do all of them, but I am gonna do a couple of rounds. We're also gonna be in a public, so hopefully I can find a match right away.
No.
Please, you did a lot.
Or I can just spectate this match.
No, don't steal from him. What?
Okay, guys, I'm recording. I'm recording a video.
Do you know if you have them have views?
No, I can't see. I cannot see. I'm just spectating. I can't see if they have a
I
fuse or
know,
not.
but were you watching before?
No, I just joined.
Dang it.
I'll take second.
I'm cooked.
My logo is so good right now.
The only reason I did that was because you have 3, and I'm pretty sure you have a diffuse.
Give me a second. Let's go gambling. Oh, wait.
I wasn't paying attention. I'm not gonna give you a
Yeah, jackpot!
I had a shuffle too.
So long.
Gaming.
I had a shuffle too. Super sad.
Oh, God.
Yeah, because I just gave you a shuffle. Yeah, I know. I'm gonna put
Emojis.
it in last.
Uh,
Because I don't know who to target. I don't want to target either, you guys. Zoom in.
I
on
know
my
who you could target. A box cat.
Fuming probably because we have 3 kittens and little cars.
Hey.
Ooh. I would feed.
I swear that wasn't my bomb. I swear.
There's a Keo. Look, Keo.
Please don't put it on me. Please don't put it on me for that reason. Because I didn't put it on. I promise.
Well, I mean, he doesn't even have anything, so you're gonna have to draw the next one.
I don't care who put what where, we're going gambling.
No, I do have something.
Let's go gambling!
Whoever said that exactly.
We're cooked. We're cooked. because-
Let's go gambling!
I am.
Oh, dang it.
2 kittens somewhere.
Oh, that's.
Oh, dang it! Oh, dang it! Well, I mean, at least you know where the bomb is gonna be at. At least you know where one of the bombs are gonna be at.
Guys, is it almost my turn?
Did you put it on me?
Did I or did I not?
This might be a long video.
I'm suckling.
Did you actually put it on him, or did you not?
I'm a liar.
I'm cooked.
Attack! Attack! Attacked. I mean,
I
attack.
could gamble, but I'm not in the mood for gambling. So I'm-
Well, I mean, you do get an extra turn. Remember, you get 2 turns.
Hello.
Obviously. Twin!
I'm feeling a bomb.
Where have you been?
And I don't want to get that bomb.
Well, if
I
you
can do
get
it.
a bomb,
Imagine you just
have to
wasted
have the
all
bomb
those
you're
cards
stealing.
for it not to be
Let's
a
go
bomb.
gambling.
She took all my items. That was a stupid move.
Let's go gambling. What are you going to do after this?
Oh, I'm actually recording a video right now.
Jonathan!
I'm recording a video.
YouTube video. You're telling me a YouTube video.
Yeah,
Please
yeah,
say
this is a
please.
YouTube video.
Please say you don't have anything good.
I've been trying to meet a YouTuber for the
Gambling!
I'm a small
month,
YouTuber,
I
so
have not met a single guy.
That's way more.
I
than-
only have like 3
Yeah, well,
subscribers,
you don't-
okay? I'm a small
I've
YouTuber.
got
Well, it's fine. I'll still watch you, but cause this is one of my favorite games. This is
Yeah,
one of my
yeah, I know. I
favorite
actually have the card game of this.
Doesn't help.
This is my favorite game of
How can you
WoW.
have the same things?
Both of my items.
I have a bunch of the expansion packs because they were very fun, like the streaking kitten, the imploding kitten,
I have the card game.
the double slap.
Let's go gamble.
Well,
The
after
triple
you-
slap.
Maybe after you're done the YouTube video, you wanna go glitch or something?
Well, I actually I'm gonna probably do a few games on this. I probably would switch between modes maybe. I'm probably not gonna do all the modes, but I'll.
Yeah. Okay.
Let's do it.
I'll play again.
Yeah, baby.
Also, just letting you know, my luck on this game is insane. Like the first time.
Yeah, baby. Let's go.
Every time I get picked first, I rolled the defeat first try every single
I got 2 see the futures. Let's go.
Let's go for you.
I'm
It's okay if I steal from you.
I got 2 glasses.
Hey! I thought that was me. Imagine you got the fuse.
I'm sorry. It's just a funny sight. There,
Just hate you.
usually the cat's not first.
Hey!
Hold on. While I wait for my turn, I'm
So
gonna.
sad.
Oh, I can't gamble mid-round. Okay.
Yeah. I mean, wait, kid. Yeah, you can't use tokens in a
Did you get
game.
me?
No,
Unfortunate.
No, I promise.
Unfortunate.
When
I
I
promise
will
you.
go
I
gamble.
promise you. I promise you.
You can't go
Promise.
gambling. I actually went over there and gambled and then got the jackpot like the first try. Wait. No. Yeah. No.
Why'd you know it?
You stupid.
I have no
No.
reason for choosing
What
you
are you
specifically.
doing?
I just did.
It's not a good day for
For
me.
no reason why.
Okay.
That isn't. Wait.
For
did
no
you
for no reason.
Do me a
Oh,
favor.
no reason
Why
I
me? You
do
just
not
stole
have
from
any
me.
malice towards you. I must
That's
specify this.
crazy.
Have a potato. Have a potato.
Did he steal your
Thank you
fuse?
for the potato.
Yeah, he already did.
Yo, bro,
Lucky
can
for
I
me, I
ask you
have a
for a
second
favor?
potato.
That's crazy.
I have nothing to give.
Hannah, can I ask you for a favor?
No.
I mean, you technically have like a 1/3 odd of getting his
That's what
defuse.
you get.
Potato,
That's
I
what
don't
you get.
want it.
That's fair.
No,
You can
not
get-
that. No.
I got his defuse.
Yeah, he already got my defuse, so you had a 1/3 to get a defuse from him.
Happened right back.
You had to see.
Wait. I'll see the future. I will see the future. I will
can you
see
tell me what I
the
got?
future. Yeah, I'll tell you. I got 2 of
Okay,
these.
no, don't see the future. Do not see the future.
Why?
What I got too.
You know what? You know what? Can I have a car from you? I want insurance. I want
Yeah, sure,
insurance.
You can have the potato back.
Potato. Potato.
I want my insurance back.
Potato.
Okay,
Potato.
I'm gonna trust you. I want to use this, but you say I should not, right?
Do what? We don't know.
I'm
what
gonna
we're
see the
rolling.
future.
Taco.
I want to see. I want to see.
Don't
I want to see. I just want to see. I just want to take a little peek.
What did I
I
Huh.
put it on random. I was like flicking my fist around, so it's
Huh. I'm not gonna say anything, but nothing.
It's good. I promise you it's good. I did not put it on you. It's good. It's good. Don't worry.
If you did, you're gay.
I saw that coming.
Yes. Yes.
It's okay. It's a caramel.
Honestly,
Trust me.
Sad. Oh, he's going. He's
No.
going to gamble.
No.
Do me a flavor.
No.
I don't want to do you a favor.
No. You
Do me a flavor.
do him a flavor, guys. Do him a flavor.
Do me a flavor.
Bro, you sound like Daffy Duck.
I'm just copying what he said. Do me a flavor, guys.
your turn.
He's cooked.
Ooh. Can I do a can I have a favor from you?
All I have is a potato, a rainbow avocado, and I see a future.
And a blessing, I guess. So.
Okay, can I have a favor from you?
I don't even have that much.
You have to give this because it's
Bro,
the
if
worst
you asked
item
me,
I
I
have.
would have given you my defuse. My Oculus is about to die.
That's unfortunate.
Okay. Hey, can I attack you? I didn't do
Sure.
that.
Actually, I can see all the cards, and I can't really do anything to skip. So.
I see the future.
I can see my
I'm gonna whack
demise.
you with my fly swatter.
Oh, thank you.
What did I give you? A
I
defuse?
don't know what that is.
No, you didn't give me a defuse, but you got me another seed of future, a shuffle, and a taco cat.
That's good. That's actually good.
Hey, more cards
I
for
can
me.
see the future too, so I can also see the future.
The future. I see the future.
I got double defuse.
I can
I'm
also
actually
do
getting kinda
random
I
time.
don't know why I'm getting kinda iffy. I'm kinda scared.
Actually.
Too bad I can't use my double defuse. My Oculus.
Okay,
is
that
at
I'm
1%.
sorry. I'm gonna have a bomb that I'm gonna have to
Mashed
stick to
potatoes.
you.
Does anybody want to blow?
Oh, it's
Yeah.
dead.
You know what? You know what time it is, guys? You know what time it is?
Somebody asked me a
What?
flavor.
It's random time.
Gambling.
Somebody asked me a flavor. I'll give you a defuse.
I see.
My Oculus
What?
is at 1%, guys.
Oh wait. Oh yeah.
Somebody
Because
ask him to do a favor. Ask him for a favor.
I don't have a favor though.
He doesn't have a flavor.
Are there any?
There's a bomb right there. There's a bomb there. Just wait it out, and then you just
Dead.
lose.
Don't just wait it out.
Do they
Oh,
have
my
a
Oculus
fuse?
died.
Bye.
Sorry.
It's not.
Well, I'm probably dead next. I have nothing. I don't have a defuse. I don't have anything to skip my turn or redirect it to someone else, and I can't steal. I'm
I think
just
you
a
had a
duck.
fuse because it didn't go off immediately.
Yeah, he did. Have
I'm just a sitting duck here. I'm mad.
Okay,
I'm mad. I'm just a sitting duck.
It's your turn.
Yes. Okay.
I think I'm dead. I'm sick of dead.
Just try.
Oh, never mind. I'm good. Wait. What do I get? What do I get?
Future.
What do I get?
Your future is demise.
Demise.
What
Demise?
time?
Guess what time it is? It's gambling time.
It's random time.
Wait, I actually managed to completely forget what was in the box because I am not good at not forgetting.
And I still
Okay, see, your future was demise.
Well, I'm kind
You know
of
what?
cooked if he puts it on me,
I am
or if there's a
not-
bomb on mine. I'm kind of cooked. Wait, what? Why can I see? Why can I see the order? I can literally just see all the things while you were putting that in.
It's on number 5. It's on number 5.
Do you mind if I?
You stole from me at the beginning. Now I want to
I've got
steal
one of
my
turns.
stuff
Oh my
back.
God. Why?
Give me. Yeah, you gave me what you stole from me a while ago. Now I get to go. I got my thing back. Let's go.
Hi.
No, you're taking that card.
Boo. Okay, now I can use what I actually need.
Hey, yo.
Go eat
Um,
my wiener.
It's shuffled. It's in the back.
Go eat my wiener.
Oh my god, if it's gambling,
No.
it's gambling.
Oh, you
He
eat my wiener,
might
you
be dead.
guy.
He might
And
be
we're
dead.
going to
He's
find out
gambling.
when.
He might be dead. Okay, I'm
Not
dead.
there.
There's only one save card.
It's your turn.
There's no save cards. You know what time it is? It's random time.
Dude, this is
Alright,
funny.
I'm
You
dead.
are a funny guy.
What?
No, we gotta wait.
Which way do I cut? Which way do I cut?
None of
Kind
them.
of why
But
before,
it's
before I
a
grabbed this
fake
and
bomb.
I cracked
Well,
it
I
and
tried,
I cracked that screen of yours.
My two items are fusion
this
ones that I
little
cannot
skip.
use.
I know. All I have is a
going to
taco
die.
can and a potato. I'm a potato. Unironically, I think you win. Yeah, you win. Oh. Well, there's one thing I can always do.
But you want to do duel? This was.
Give me a
fun.
second. Bruh!
I got
Yeah.
one ticket. I gambled my life savings.
Yeah, let's go! Leveled up! I get more tokens!
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah, sure. I'm still recording.
Go in the back.
Give me a second. Oh, there's no dual spots left.
Yes, they are. Oh
No,
no,
you.
they're not.
Okay, then you want to do like a blitz? Like
Let's do blitz then. Come on, guys.
Let me just.
Who else wants to do blitz? Going once. Going twice.
Quit.
Sold to the highest bidder.
Give me that.
All right, kiddies.
Oh wait, everybody leave. She didn't get to play.
You take.
Well, it's all right. It's all right. Watch me. I'm gonna get a bomb right away.
What are the odds?
Do you mind
He's gonna
if
get a
I
bomb right away.
steal?
What are the odds of that?
He's not gonna get a bomb.
I'm gonna get a bomb right away. Watch.
He's not gonna get a bomb.
What are the
Oh,
odds
okay.
of already having a double free beginning?
Do you mind if I steal?
Okay, you don't get a bomb.
We
Yeah,
never
we
got a
don't.
bomb.
No, I said
Okay, you usually put the log like right here so that way I can like see it. Usually I don't use it, but I just put it here just in case. Just in case, because it's not in the way, and it's also it's actually I could just look at it, and usually I don't really look at it. But wow,
Now I will.
it's gambling time! Let's go gambling! Oh dang it!
Let's go.
Oh dang it!
The blue one's good. The yellow one's good. It doesn't matter if you press it.
Do you have chat?
Cook yourself.
I don't think he has a
I'm just gonna
mic.
put this at the
Sadly,
end of the box.
sadly, I don't think he has a
I'm just gonna
mic.
make sure you put it at somewhere.
Okay, I'll go gambling. I'll go gambling.
Okay, well, I'm gonna make
I love
sure of that.
gambling. I don't like gambling.
Why is it
No!
not gonna work? There it goes. Alright, you.
I love gambling.
Because we have a chance to know.
I could have noped that, but I could have noped that, but the gambling addictions, the gambling addictions.
Do you mind if I
He's gonna get a bomb.
steal?
Give
He
me
didn't get a bomb.
that one.
It's your turn.
Block it over.
Do you just choke the
The-
thing that I was about to use?
I'm gonna do it.
I took the thing you remember.
Oh, I can't punch it away.
Oh my goodness.
Let's throw fireworks at their table.
Wow,
He's gonna
I-
leave. Yo, let's watch. Ooh, see the danger. I wanna see the danger.
Just
Why did
No,
I feel like that?
wait, you guys don't have a nope for that? You don't have a nope
No, we
for
don't.
that?
I wanna see the danger.
No, of course we don't have a note. We're in the end.
I'm not talking to you guys. I'm talking to him.
Me, him,
I know, I know.
Okay, so
But
this is a
after
safe
minute,
one.
maybe.
That is
If I
good.
lose.
Ooh.
So you both see.
I got a good thing. I got a.
Wait, you should have saved that till you like attacked or something.
And
But I guess you just got.
The yellow one's good. I just gonna cut it. I just drew one and I lost.
Hey, you want to know an interesting fact about
What?
the card I just got?
I'm gonna.
Oh yeah, you only have a diffuse. Oh that's why. The only other card you have is diffuse. He wins.
Do me a favor.
Wait, twin, where have you been?
What
Okay,
are
yo,
the
let's
odds?
all after this. All after
Oh,
this.
yeah, the
Go,
odds are
everybody
nice.
follow me.
Thanks.
We're gonna do a
Thanks,
classic.
the other
Come on, let's do classic, guys. I'm gonna be right here.
Wait for me, wait for me.
The army, my army, Koopas, Goombas, whatever those things are.
Well, you're not. Well, you're not the
those things
leader.
are.
You're not the main character.
Yeah, I'm not.
I know, I'm joking around. I'm not trying to be rude. I'm really not.
No, you're right. I'm not the main character.
No, I'm not. I didn't try to be rude.
D-A-C-O-C-A-D, Taco Cat, Taco Cat.
Now, I
D-A-C-O-C-A-D,
would
Taco
usually
Cat.
nope this, but since you
Go like this if I
you're
got
my
a bomb,
twin,
and go like this if I did.
Do I have something? Do this. Do this if I have something good. Do this if it's fine. Do this if it's an exploding kitten. This exploding kitten. This is just a regular item. This is a good item, which is like the fuse.
Just
I have a skip. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Then.
why are you asking if we have a skip? Why are you asking if he has a skip? Is there a bomb? There's a bomb.
There's a bomb. Already. Can you believe that?
Are we gonna hit it to back to sender? There's no way we're attacking to sender.
Someone note that? Yeah!
Wait.
Put that back to sender.
Yeah!
Sorry, cat stayed together.
Yes, dude. Yes.
You can robot cat.
Oh wait, I actually thought she had an attack because of. I thought I should to put it back to sender. Okay, do not put it first.
Sorry.
Do not put it first, you're not that person. You're not that person.
Wait, what? Wait.
You're not that person. You're not gonna put it
Probably
first.
put it on mine.
No, probably mine because I started the whole thing.
No,
I guess so.
she's probably gonna put it on me because I noped it. So
She's gonna get it again. She
Oh,
got
yeah,
it.
you
She got
got-
another
yeah.
ball.
Oh no.
Oh, she put the bomb on herself.
That's
By
not cool.
accident.
well, she died.
Yeah.
I
But she
cried
still
for
put that bomb somewhere, so that might have
Let me see.
That's
You
probably
notice
me.
to my
Also-
gender.
Okay,
I'm sorry.
just hit it.
I'm
Okay,
sorry.
Man.
Sorry.
Better fucking be sorry, I'm a fucking pretty grown man, you twat.
I'm sorry.
Don't mess with me. Oh,
I'm sorry.
it's your turn.
Unlike you.
No,
Thank
what?
you so much. You can go home and bolt my sister.
This is my husband, but we can fuck him off tonight. Come home with me, baby.
Hey, yeah.
You are weird.
Press the
Bless your son.
button.
God
What
bless
did you
you.
say, mate?
Can you see what I? Can you tell me what I got?
You
Okay,
got
okay.
That's what you
A
got.
small
Okay, you got a
penis.
nope. You got a taco cat.
I want a taco cat because I have a taco cat.
But the thing is,
Yeah.
All right.
Don't you dare say you're
Also,
skipping.
I want the taco cat. I want the taco cat.
yeah, I'm joking. Yours is actually a exploding kitten. Don't do it. Don't do it. It's exploding kitten.
I
Do
can't
not
do
it.
anything else.
Rick Mile, yes,
You
8
can't?
Yes.
No.
He's in the corner.
This doesn't look right.
I want
Do me a favor.
Look at me husband.
Do me
Look
a
at me husband.
favor.
Do me a favor.
Oh, it's not Mangino. I thought it's Mangino. Oh, okay, I'll give you.
I want a card. I'm
Mangino.
poor. I'm too poor.
There you go.
I'm too poor.
I'm not too poor.
I'm too poor. I want a card. I'm too poor. I'm broke.
No.
Oh, did I actually eat? part
I'm
of it?
broke.
There you go. Nice.
Good boy.
Okay, taco cat, taco cat. T-A-C-O.
Oh,
No!
that's bad.
You're too rich.
That's bad.
No, I'm poor. I'm broke.
Someone
No!
Give to the poor. Give to the poor.
Did I get
Give
anything
to the
good?
poor.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
I want revenge.
Do you want an attack?
You're gonna
No.
revenge on your own cat.
Do you have an attack?
Do I?
No, I don't have. I mean, I do have attack actually. I lied. I do have attack.
I'm scared.
Well, let's sound this.
Give me back my goddamn. I always accidentally did it on you for a second.
Modify.
I realized that. Oh, I almost did it on you by accident.
You didn't get it.
Hey, what's my
You got
level,
this-
guys?
you got
Guys, what's
the,
my level?
Shuffle
Guys,
though,
what's
so
my
that's
It's 47.
47.
Everybody
mine?
knows.
What level am I?
What's
23.
mine?
Ooh, googly eyes.
You're
Yeah.
65.
65. Ugh.
Okay, I'm gonna
So
say
old.
this. It's gambling time.
It's random
Thank you
time.
for saving my cell
Not
phone.
time for
I
that.
love when you say that. It's so
Time.
fun.
Quick time.
Gambling time.
Quick
Quick
time.
game. Whoa.
Hey, that's literally my only. I think that's my only line that I actually made.
Some dessert and fruit.
Did you just say only lion?
Yeah, because the rest are from probably from some
Put it
other
on me,
guy.
Put it on me.
Okay, I put it on you.
Afghanistan.
Nice.
Remember? it's
Okay,
only lion.
googly
I'll
eyes.
put it on
I got googly eyes. I could see it coming. I can see it all coming.
If he has an attack,
What'd you get? What'd you get? What'd you get?
Don't want to give it to the next person.
Who gave that to you?
The media? Is that you? Alright, it's okay.
Oh, that's
Alright.
you have the still the fuse.
Yeah, he stole my defuse.
I had like 3 of them.
That's crazy.
He stole my defuse.
I did.
That's sad.
Do not
did.
put it on me. I'm begging you. Don't.
Yeah,
put it on
please,
me.
please.
Well, if he puts it on me, I'm kind of screwed. Not gonna lie. Didn't you steal enough from me?
Give me some Skittles, but it didn't want to pay for
I don't have anything. The only thing I have is a shuffle, a skip, and you know what? Have a potato.
Potato.
Ooh, I want a potato. I like
I want a
potatoes.
potato.
You have a potato.
Potato.
Wait, don't do it on me. Do it on him. He has a bunch of diffuses. Remember?
Every potato.
I
Do
have
you
a
mind
potato.
if I steal?
I don't even have a
He's
diffuse.
got a special treat coming, don't worry.
I don't have anything.
Oh.
I got a hairy potato cat again.
Hey, a 2-for-1. Yeah, you trade into and we give you one.
Yeah, I am cooked.
You're in big trouble now.
Imagine.
Oh,
Yeah.
good.
It's random time.
It's
Alright.
gambling time.
Good luck.
Let's go.
Good luck. Good luck. Good luck.
Gambling.
Good luck.
Dang.
Oh no.
It's
It's random time.
That's funny. Gambling.
Let's go. Gambling.
Cooked?
Your turn.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
You cooked, I think.
It's random time. It's random time.
I actually thought I was dead for a second.
It doesn't matter.
That was funny. I
Oh,
hate you.
okay.
I hate you. Do not skip it on me.
Wait, 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm the winner.
You know. Oh wait, no, you do have 3 diffuses, right? I forgot.
No. He has one now.
Do not put it on me.
He has one diffuse now. So,
Okay.
but they're the only explosions.
Oh, no, I'm not the winner.
Oh wait. Okay.
You have a diffuser.
Wait, you do have a diffuse.
Oh my goodness gracious.
Oh.
Well, I'm dead.
Oh my god.
But
Maybe.
it's automatically a.
Wait, are they
Never
all?
know.
Are they?
Yeah, they're all bombs.
Yeah, they're all bombs. Look, 3 of 3.
Oh, they
They're all
are?
bombs.
They're all bombs.
Okay, well then I'm cooked.
All I have is just this box cat. I have nothing. I'm dead.
1,000 billion.
No, wait from over
It's Kristen the Piston 60.
It's your
Oh, sorry.
No, it's fine. Everybody pronounces my name like that.
Better,
He's
budgie.
gonna clutch up the whole game. He's gonna have something that's gonna clutch up the whole game. He's not letting us know.
Who, me?
Yeah.
How'd you know?
No, you didn't.
Do you have a
Yeah, you
skip?
did. No.
Do you have anything?
I know you.
Well,
How many
GG's guys. I guess.
I had 3 at one point.
Yo, we gotta play this again. Let's roll another round again. Roll another
One more round, and then I'm gonna stop recording because I think the video is kind of lengthy.
He's the king.
Wait, how long is this
No,
video
you're
been?
not. I'm the king.
Okay,
Oh,
we.
sorry.
I'll do one more
Why am I
round.
acting like a
I'll do
5-year-old?
one
I'm
more
sorry for
round.
acting like a- I'm sorry for acting like a 5-year-old that likes Nick 8030.
Yeah, what are you
Do
doing?
not come near us.
Why?
You do not come near us. If she comes
Why?
near us, I'm leaving.
What's wrong with him?
She's weird. I have the same 3 last items I had from last game.
Wait,
This
I
kid-
got an AI person. Oh well.
Okay. Wait. There's 3
What?
people with the same avatar, but one's different.
What's different?
Your turn.
We have the same avatar, don't?
Yeah, but he's. Oh, I see what you mean. Okay.
Can I have a card?
Do me a
I'm
favor.
poor.
Do
I'm
me a
poor.
favor.
Donate to
How
the
do you have a
poor.
VR? How do you have a VR if you're poor?
This is a MetaQuest 2.
It's a MetaQuest 2. The
92.
MetaQuest 2 is like $300, $400.
Actually, it's $200.
Be quiet, boo.
You would be 30 years old.
Actually-
You were born in 1990.
But still, it is quite expensive.
Yeah, it is.
You can't. You would not believe what I just saw. If I told you.
You're not gonna tell me, that's fine.
It's literally only hairy potato cats.
For all of us? That's weird.
There's only hairy potato. I only see hairy potato cats.
What?
The first 3 are hairy potato cats.
That's weird.
Give me some milk.
No.
Oh my gosh, stealing from another cat?
No, not my skip, not my coin. No.
It's
better
like
than your
fine.
diffuser.
Do you have an attack?
Okay, go ahead.
You?
Go ahead.
Hey,
Claim
do you
claim
have
your
an
hairy
attack?
potato cat.
Excuse me.
What?
Do you have an attack?
No, but I do have something very special right here.
It's
You're
a
good
few.
attack
Hey,
right here.
we're gonna attack him, okay? But I'm rather gonna not right now, though.
Who, me? Because I won last time?
Attack.
Oh my gosh.
Oh
You
my
know what
God.
time it is?
What time is it?
It's random time.
Oh, I
How
could've
many
noped
times
you.
have you said that in this video? And I have been crying laughing. Like,
Oh no!
Bro, your voice. It just is funny.
Okay, if I'm going down, I'm bringing you guys down with me. I put a bomb in an undisclosed location inside your guys'. Just kidding. But I did put the bomb in an undisclosed location that you guys don't know. And I only have cats now.
You have way too many things.
I only have his cats. I got 2 catermelons, a box cat, and a hairy potato.
Balance.
Take my coin.
Really? Why?
You're
That was so
you're
good.
giving him the coin you stole from me.
You know what that means? That means that I'm not gonna ever ask you for anything else ever again.
Why? Because you're gonna win?
No, because that was very nice of you. So I'd rather steal
Don't,
from other
don't
people.
steal from me. I only have his cats.
I need cats.
All I have is cats.
I need cats.
He needs cats too.
No, the only one I had 2 of.
Oh no.
Do you mind if
No,
I
that's enough.
Or I only have
I was
3
trying to
different
get you.
cats.
I know, that's enough. He's got 3 things.
All I have is cats.
Another skin.
Nice.
Do it. Do it. I dare you. Oh, it says. Oh, I thought you were gonna. I thought you were gonna attack that. I was like, do it. I was gonna.
Let's go. Or so choose a random one. Let's go. Here. Go on.
Random.
I'm
Is
gonna
that-
I'm gonna be
It's
nice.
random.
And I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna be nice and I'm gonna do that.
He's nice.
Ooh,
You're nice.
I gave him
Go
my
ahead.
diffuse.
Go
I gave him
ahead.
my
Just
diffuse.
draw and
I'm very nice.
I kind of
Your
screwed.
diffuse.
I don't know.
Go
I
ahead,
don't know.
just-
You're welcome.
Just go ahead. Place the bomb on me. I can't really do anything about it.
And then I'll give you my diffuse.
Oh, that's
I don't
nice.
have a
Steve.
favor though.
Oh no.
Can you just not put it on me, please?
I don't have anything.
He's next. Alright. He has no diffuses also.
All I have is
Your
cats.
turn.
I have to cry too.
Yeah, I'm sad. I actually feel bad.